Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to promote Refugees and Lazy Survival Shooter. Promoting Refugees and Survival Shooter is a great way to strengthen your gameplay, since this specialist boosts efficiency in areas like training speed, resource output, and healing time. To promote them, head over to the Recruit section where you can obtain refugees using refugee tickets. These tickets are earned through events, gameplay rewards, and the refugee system. Keep in mind, the higher the rarity of the refugee, the lower the drop rate. But the bonuses are definitely worth it. Once you've collected enough tickets, use them wisely. It's best to wait until higher rarity refugees are available before spending, as they offer the most impactful boost. Refreshing the recruit pool can also help you spot better options. At the end of the day, it's all about strategy. Decide when to save your tickets and when to take risks for stronger, rarer refugees. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.